this is going to be a tutorial on the Lorac Pro Mega 1 palette.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive.
Alright, so now for my base, I'm using MAC Studio Finish Concealer NC20. I'm just going to go ahead and take that and apply it all over my eyelid as a base.
You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Now taking the Lorac Pro Mega 1, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Orchid, which is like a light Barbie pink, and use that as my transition color. Shade is Cranberry. I'm just going to take that and apply it. I'm starting from the outer corner. I'm just darkening it up and just bring it towards the middle.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are the solution.
I normally like to go back in multiple times just to build up the intensity of the eyeshadow.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are the solution. You are the solution.
Using this fluffy blending brush from 6 Plus, I'm just going to go back in with the first transition color and just go ahead and blend it out. Using Cranberry, I'm just going back in and just darkening up my eyes. Taking the Luxie 231 brush, which is a small tapered blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and dig it into the shade Sand and apply that to my eyelid. Now onto my favorite part, using Kitten Karma, which is a Stila Magnificent Metal eyeshadow. A quick technique to help you guys apply this on evenly is by using a brush instead of the applicator that comes with the product. I feel like it applies uneven with the applicator, so the brush would be your best bet. And now for my highlight, I'm using a shade in white and just putting that on my brow bone. And then finally, with my wing liner, I'm just using the Inglot 77 gel liner. For my lashes today, I'm using these Supernatural eBay lashes along with these mink lashes, also from eBay, and stacking them. Taking concealer, I'm applying that as my base on my lower lash line. And now I'm just using the same shades that I used for my eyes. My inner corners, I'm just taking the shade Sand and just applying that. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my eyes with concealer and top it off with mascara.
When you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile.
And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this quick makeup tutorial on the eyes only. Please leave me any comments and requests. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, guys.
You are,